guys, welcome back. I'm Jenna. I'm so glad that you're here today. We are making healthy hot chocolate today. This month we're focusing on sharing with you a bunch of the things that we do on our homestead that we make instead of buying them from the store. Hot chocolate is one of those things. Now we're in Ohio, which means that we get our fair share of snowy, cold days. But what that means is that my kids are constantly in and out of the house. They are putting on their snow gear, taking it off, going out to play, and they're coming in and without fail, they're asking for a cup of hot chocolate when they come inside. Sometimes I can steer them in the direction of having a hot cup of tea, but oftentimes they want that cup of hot chocolate. So I just can't bring myself to hand them over a cup of sugar and then be all ready to sit down and do school and get going for the day. I know that that's a recipe for disaster. So I wanted a healthier recipe that's not loaded with sugar, that the kids can even whip up by themselves if I'm busy doing something else. So the recipe that I'm gonna share with you today is just that. It's just a few simple ingredients that the kids can throw into the pot and make their own hot chocolate, and I don't have to feel nearly as guilty about them having that. So we're going to start out with just a couple of cups of milk. I have a couple of kids that need to be dairy free, so they will do almond milk when they make theirs. But you just need a couple of cups. You go ahead and put it into the pot. Okay, for these couple of cups of milk, you're going to need four tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now instead of cane sugar, we're going to use maple syrup. And I'm going to put in just 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay, then I'm just going to put in a pinch of some pink Himalayan salt, about a tablespoon worth of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then a little splash of vanilla extract. All right, now that's all going to come together and heat up on the stove, but it doesn't take very long at all. I'm just gonna give it a quick taste and make sure that the sweetness, so good, so chocolatey. Those a few chocolate chips in there that just give it enough to take away the bitterness of the cocoa powder. But that's already plenty hot. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it. I went ahead and added just a spoonful of the whipped cream that I made. I'm going to link the video to that one as well, but whipped cream is a super simple thing that you can mix up as well. Added a little bit to the top, and that forgoes the extra giant marshmallow. I can get by with some whipped cream on the top that has very little sugar in it. Delicious. They're going to be very happy when they come inside. thanks for hanging out with us. Make sure that you check out our other videos of things that you can make instead of buy, and we'll see you on the next one.